BeTech Security System Limited mainly focuses on security solution. The security solution of BeTech has been used in hotels, offices, commercial, residences, schools, and hospitals in over 48 countries with the safety and convenience. BeTech was founded in 1992 and located in Guangdong high-tech zone with 30,000 square meter factory. We focus on innovating, producing, and maintaining of electronic locking system. Our main products are electronic door locks, electronic cabinet locks, electronic safes, and access control. We keep designing and producing world-class products, and our main products have passed the ANSI BHMA Grade 2 test, CE test, CE Fire Rated test, and UL Fire Rated test, which made us the leading electronic lock company that gained these main certifications in China. For past 20 years, we keep innovating and creating benefits to our customers with our company mission: honesty, innovation, win-win. We are nominated for National High-Tech Company, Guangdong Famous Trademark, the APHA Recommended Hospitality Product Supplier in 2015, and a Golden Horse Award of China Hotel. Also, we passed the BV Supplier Capability Assessment and Intertech Supplier Assessment. In 1999, BeTech has become the designated supplier of I-button lock to Dallas Semiconductor Corporation. In 2003, we attained the self-exporting license and registered our trademark in more than 40 countries. In 2004, BeTech Security System Limited has been renamed as company name. In 2008, our products have passed CE certification, and we became the National High-Tech Company. At that time, our cabinet locks have been used in Beijing 2008 Olympic Stadium. In 2009, the factory of BeTech in Guangdong High-Tech Zone has been dedicated to production. In 2015, we had cooperation with a Malaysian public company, Master Corporation Berhad, with more than $15 million. As the earliest electronic lock company in China, BeTech has gained the trust from global customers with continuous innovation and service, including IHG, Hilton, Best Western, Honda Real Estate, Wanda Group, VEC Real Estate, Poly Real Estate, Parkto Group, Times Real Estate, Country Garden, Home Inn, Hanteng Inn, and Sulane. BeTech has dedicated to provide reliable and professional security solution to our customers. BeTech executes the 5S management and the modern production, and the quality of products is what we value in order to enhance the stability and reliability of products. We have plenty of machines, including SMT and wave soldering machine for the production of circuit boards. For the components tooling, CNC, injection molding machine, die casting machine, welding robot arm are widely used. In the aspect of core technology, we have innovated electronic bow ties with NC profile, Euro profile, DIM profile, and GB profile. We have a strict standard for the test of components, including the function test of the lock, test of lock life cycle, and impact test. In addition, our test center has multi life cycle test machine, lock test machine, vibration testing machine, anti-static test machine, surface salt spray test machine, which are advanced machines in this industry. BeTech has developed with a sustained development in order to protect the environment. From 2007 to 2008, BeTech has gained the Pony Green certification and Rose certification in order to protect the environment by controlling production. BeTech has strictly limited the pollution and save energy from product design, production, and distribution in order to keep a good balance between development and environment. In the future, BeTech will dedicate to lead the security industry and get ready for more challenges.